Another intense day unfolds at Spotify Camp Nou, where progress continues across every corner of the site. From major compression ring staging in the lateral zone to a symbolic milestone at the north goal, today delivered both structural advancement and unforgettable moments. Let's take you through everything that happened, starting at the lateral where the day opened with another section of the compression ring arriving by trailer and being staged at the storage area. 16 sections now placed across the full lateral, with 3 boxes sitting close to the north goal and 2 more positioned near the south goal, alongside staged radial beams and pillars. Specialist workers were observed on top of the installed sections, checking connections and tightening details. The Ulma team was also active assembling more Simbra sections with fresh Sapanda material arriving by truck, keeping the supply chain moving. A strong wind across the site was confirmed to be slowing crane operations throughout the day, but the cranes were still working at reduced pace. 3 pillars, a radial beam, and additional boxes remained staged and ready. The next expected move is pillar installation, as this section of the ring has reached its current limit of consecutive boxes. At the north goal, the headline moment of the day arrived. Ceramic slat installation pushed all the way up to the VIP ring cantilever level. The first slat to reach that height was yellow, placed on San Jordi Day, a detail that stopped everyone in their tracks. Installation also continued on the lower section, with another slat being placed on the false ceiling area. The north goal nucleus directly opposite the viewpoint was still receiving sandwich panels, with workers spotted finishing off the upper sections. A super pillar was also being concreted at the north goal, with the pump deployed and the elephant trunk pointing directly at the rotula connection, bringing the total remaining super pillars down to 9. At the tribune zone, a major concrete pour was underway on the upper cantilever section, built using conventional formwork and sapandas rather than alveolar plates. This section will carry the Riostra connections and represents a significant structural milestone for the ring installation sequence in this zone. 10 super pillar rotula connections remain across the full stadium. The painter was also spotted back in the tribune zone, applying black coating using a roller across the steel beam framework. Ceramic slat superstructure support pieces were being welded onto the beams in the tribune zone, the initial phase before full anchor installation can begin. At the south goal, the rotula concreting sequence was progressing steadily, with multiple connections already completed and a further one actively being worked on. The nucleus superstructure for ceramic slats was being advanced with a single platform, active adding more support bars. At the cafeteria, diamond activity was observed with reinforcement skeleton work continuing on the remaining open wall section. Inside the VIP ring, the aluminium curtain wall profiles were advancing on the second floor, with workers moving steadily through the full ring perimeter. That is Camp Nou today, a stadium being built one detail at a time while the season continues around it. Drop a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe if you have not already. We will be back tomorrow.